The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Russian forces continued launching attacks by high-precision, long-range air and sea-based armament at the military control and energy systems of Ukraine, as well as at the depots of foreign-manufactured ordnance and armament. All the assigned targets have been neutralized. Units of the Russian army seized Gorobyovka in Kharkov region and caused considerable casualties among the units from the 1st Operational Brigade of the Ukrainian National Guard at Kupiansk direction. Moreover, Russian forces have frustrated the attempt of a company tactical group of the armed forces of Ukraine, reinforced by tanks, to launch an attack near Kislovka in Kharkov region. Fire attack launched at the departing assault groups from the 71st Chaser, the 80th Airborne Assault and the 25th Airborne Brigades of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Stelmakhovka and Rozovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Karpovka and Ivanovka in Donetsk People's Republic, has resulted in the frustration of the enemy's attempts to cross the Zherbets River. In total, 46 Ukrainian personnel, 2 armored personnel carriers, 6 armored combat vehicles and 2 pickups with large-caliber machine guns have been eliminated. Ukrainian units attempted to break the defense of Russian troops towards Bruskinskoye in Kherson region at Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction. Enemy's attack has been repelled. Russian artillery fire attack has resulted in scattering and driving the Ukrainian units back to their initial positions. Over 90 Ukrainian personnel, 1 tank, 8 armored combat vehicles and 21 motor vehicles have been eliminated at the above-mentioned direction. In total, 323 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,266 unmanned aerial vehicles, 381 air defense missile systems, 5,876 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 871 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,485 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,635 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.